How to build an e-portfolio for your graphic design freelance business. So I personally made this presentation. So let's head over to the training. So who is this for? This is for freelancers or service-based business who want to build an e-commerce or electronic portfolio for their services to get qualified clients without spending on expensive tools and software. What we learn in this session, you're going to learn what is an e-portfolio, why having an e-portfolio is very important, website versus landing pages, the flow of an e-portfolio pages, requirements to build an e-portfolio, and you watch it build. You like I'll build it and give it out to you guys as a template, like I mentioned earlier. So, what is an e-portfolio? An e-portfolio is a digital online collection of work that has showcased an individual learning skills and achievements over time. It is essentially a digital version of a traditional portfolio, but with the added benefits of being online and accessible, as well as featuring multimedia formats like images, videos, and audio. So why is having an e-portfolio funnel very important? Number one is to showcase your expertise, like showcase the kind of work you have been doing over the years, like kind of your expertise. Because nobody really knows you, so you have to put your work out there so that people can see your expertise in any particular field you are. Number two is we use the e-portfolio to attract clients, attract new clients. Because of once I see your portfolio and I'm okay with what I see there, like I'm interested in one of the design you made, like you are getting a new client. I might just decide to reach out to you and you are getting a new client. So that's the second reason each portfolio is very important. And secondly, it makes you stand out from the competitors. You understand? So people trust what is very professional. Like we already know, you can't see someone that's even the business is good enough, but if the designs and the way they present their stuff, if it's not good enough, like people will be doubting the whole process. So you creating an e-portfolio, like a modern and professional e-portfolio, makes you stand out from your competitors and you look very professional with everything you are doing, and you have a higher chance of getting better clients that will pay you for a long project than all these work clients that will just stress your life. So website versus landing page. So I'm just going to explain like the stuff. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages. So if you go to a website, you know that you get to the home page. From the home page, you get to about page, contact us page, all those privacy pages, different pages. Do you understand? So there are a lot of pages in a website. Like the website connects all these pages together in a particular place. So which is called a domain. The place is called a domain, which is under one domain, serving as a digital storefront for a business or individual. So the purpose of a website is to provide information, showcase a brand, and facilitate various interactions like e-commerce. So what's the structure of a website? The structure is composed of multi-connected pages, allowing the exploration and navigation very simple and easy, and is focused on broad offering a wide range of content and functionality. So website don't really deal with one story, it deals with a lot of functionalities. That's why your portfolio pages should be very sharp, so that it can lead your clients to your WhatsApp, to other places, to your phone, to see like where you host your works, like other works you do. You can just use a portfolio website to make all these things very fucking available. So let's look at the requirements for you to build in a portfolio. So number one is a software to build a landing page. Examples like people use Canva to build their own portfolio, but I don't like using Canva to build my portfolio. People like ClickFunnels, Geared, WordPress. You people know about WordPress. WordPress like costs too much to use WordPress, and Systemic.io and more. For me, I normally use Systemic.io for all my websites because of, like, let's just say I'm good with using it. So I can cope there than anywhere I'm using because of started designing for, like I started designing using system, and till now I've been upgrading my skill on how to design there. So Another thing you need is a custom domain, which is your like a domain with your name. Let's just say the domain could be like www.richblog.com. That's a domain. You understand? So that's what's called domain. And a sales page copy, graphic design. Sales page copy is just like the write up you're going to put on your landing page. Graphics, which is the pictures and images, video that you want to put out there, so that when people are going through your portfolio, they can listen to one of the stuff you are narrating and to give you a better chance to get hired. So this is all for now. I'm going to go ahead and create the template for this portfolio for you guys. Then I'll just show you how to edit the template, just as I've been doing earlier. Show you how to edit the template, remove my picture and add yours to it. So I want to make the process very simple. I don't want to be stressing people on web design, graphic design, this and that. So just have to do the template on myself and give it out. You just have to edit and change everything to yours. So that's it. I will see you in the next video.